So originally I was having a problem with this roller on the bottom of my S7 Max 5 Ultra popping out and then me sliding it back in. And then now it's a new problem because I found this piece. Not only is that out, that was lying around the ground, but I found that the left-hand side of it, of this thing, this shell had broken. So this piece is broken now. This spinning piece right there, that piece of plastic that would clip this thing in. And this looked like it was okay. I mean, I don't see anything about it. It was making it slip out, other than maybe the height of it or the metal coming out one side. Maybe it's dislodged on one. It's more to one side than the other. But for whatever reason, this was popping out, and now this is broken.